Alright, in today's episode, I'm going to go ahead and pull up the garlic. It's getting kind of brown down here toward the top, and all this stuff is turning brown. And it's time for it to come out. And quite frankly, it's got to come out before it gets too much more crowded back here. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this trowel, this shovel here, and I'm going to put it down in the ground. Give it a little bit of a pull. Look at that. Look at that. Whew, that's a nice one. Give it another, do this again. Oh, these are just awesome garlic. Oh my God. Go ahead and we'll pull that up again. What I really like is it not in the ground too solid. Look at that. Every one of these is just huge. Wow, look at that. This one's a little smaller. That's okay. Still a good, nice sized garlic. Yeah. Oh my God. Look at that. Wow. Whew. This is awesome. Look at that. This is by far the best garlic biggest garlic I've grown. Nice. Unbelievable. Weeds out of here now that I can actually reach them. I don't know what that is, some kind of a weed. Gotta go. Okay. Just gotta take the mulch, set it aside for now. This bed will be ready for some compost that I got in the car. I think I'm gonna leave this small one here and just let it do its thing. It's kind of an experiment. I gotta get out of this spot because I'm starting to damage my plants a little bit. Time to pull some garlic. So I already pulled one bed over here. So we'll just start pulling garlic and taking a look here. Oh, that's a nice one. Take a look at that. That's a nice garlic there. Yeah, look at these. These are choice. These are absolutely choice. Look at that. Well, that one even came out nice and clean. Wow, impressive. Ooh, that's a big one. Look at that. Kind of take the mulch and kind of just sort of set it aside for now. I got some fresh compost for this. I'm a big believer in fertilizer, but you have to feed the soil in order to keep it healthy. And this is looking a little bit on the depleted side right now. Add some compost to it and that'll fix that. Really loose, not really holding anything together. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and process this garlic. Now a lot of people will go ahead and just let the whole thing dry, and that's fine. Usually what I do is I'll cut it off about here, take that, cut the roots off. And then I'll take it inside and give it a wash after it dries up a little bit. That's one. And then the tops, I might try to make a pesto out of a few of them. But they're mainly just going to go back into the garden as a garden mulch. Chop and drop, man. Chop and drop. Big believer in chop and drop. Look at that. Now you don't want to pull too much of this off right now because these leaf layers are what will form the protective skin. And put the roots in there. All that'll go right back into the garden that it came from. I think we're at about the halfway mark here. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the camera off. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do under cooled water, you just wanna wash some of the dirt off, kind of clean these up a little bit. They don't have to be perfect, but they gotta be pretty good. Give them a good cleaning. Turn that water down a little bit, I don't need that much. Nobody wants dirty garlic. We'll just give it a little bit of a cleaning. And then I'll hang them. I'll show you guys how I do that. Alright. Got a lot of garlic to go, guys. That's it for the moment. So these will hang on this metal shelf for a few weeks while they cure, and then probably just stay there and get used as we need them. If you got something out of the video, like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day.